Hey guys, what's up? It's finally not raining, so I've got the cover off of the Corolla and I've got to back it out because it's super wet from sitting outside all night. It didn't rain, but it's cold, it's fall, you know how everything gets all kind of foggy. Got to get in the sun for a minute so I can wipe it off and just to let it clear up because we're no wiper gang on this car. Hopefully someday I'll have wipers, but today is not that day. Before I take the car out, I want to give you an updated view of the interior because it's come a long ways, even since the last video that you saw with this car. So I've got the GTS door cards in both sides. We got some buckets in the driver's and passenger side. The passenger one's a rep seat, so hopefully at some point in time I'm gonna do something different there, but got almost all the interior pieces in here for the dash. As you may have noticed before, the dash was mostly incomplete. Now we've got damn near everything in there. I've gotten pretty much the entire car all the way back to the back seat covered with sound deadening, so we'll need to get some carpet in there soon, but it has helped immensely with the noise. And the big thing that I'm excited about is I finally sourced a GTS seat for the back. So I've got a GTS seat, and I also got the rear parcel shelf with the speaker covers, and this thing is really starting to come together and look a lot more like a car and a lot less like a shell that is destined to be crushed. Oh, I should also mention that I got the wire harness for underneath the dash all reintegrated back into the car, so I have creature comforts like a clock and the sunroof motor and switch and the dome light right here. So all of this stuff works now. Pretty soon I should have a headliner to complete that as well, and it's really just starting to come together real nicely. Yeah, really happy with the progress here. Letting Mr. Sun do his work.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? Doing a Fast and Furious night. Got the cars parked up at the Asian market.